so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it is a surprise birthday collab for the lovely LNEGZ. Becca's beauty channel sent out a mass message and I wanted to thank her for including me. I thought this was a really cool idea. I've seen a bunch of birthday collabs like this being done, so I'm really excited for my first one. I thought of the perfect palette for this video, which is the glamlite cake palette. I have not tried this yet. I resisted on getting it at first, but glamlite had a really good sale going on around, what was it, Easter, Memorial Day, some holiday, where it was like 30% off palettes and then like take an additional 10% off, and this was back on pre-order, and I figured, you know what, let's get it. I love glamlite's formula so much, and this color story just spoke to me. This palette came in really cute packaging, kind of like an easy bake oven is what I thought of, and I'm actually displaying it in my kitchen. I'm going to take some inspiration from this packaging to create the look. I remember telling myself, don't get it, you have a bunch of rainbow palettes, and I ended up getting the artist palette as well, but I think I like the color story a little bit more in the cake palette. It's a little bit brighter. There will be a playlist in the description box to see everyone's videos, and if you're visiting from any of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. I've already gone ahead, filled in my brows, which I am super excited. I am so close on panning my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. It's only clicking and no more product is coming up. I am stoked. Which reminds me, I probably need to do a Project Pan number 2 update soon. I have panned quite a few products, which I am super excited about. I'm terrible at project panning. I thought during the stay-at-home order, I would get a lot more done. It's been a really great opportunity to kind of just play with things in my collection, seeing what needs to stay, what needs to go, instead of just focusing on project panning or shopping my stash. That's why I haven't done a shop my stash or Project Pan update in a hot minute, and I'm way overdue for both of those. I've already gone ahead, put some foundation on, and primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. And in the nicest way possible, I still haven't cleaned my damn brushes. I have just been utilizing the crap out of the solid brush cleanser. I just haven't been motivated to clean them, and that sounds really bad, really disgusting. I feel like my brushes are gonna be really stained after this because of like the pigment just sitting on there. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I think I'm gonna start off with cranberry first. Pass the cranberry sauce. We're having mashed potatoes, and we are just going to slab this on all over the crease area. Ooh, that is a pretty shade. It's definitely picking up a lot more pink because in the pan I thought it was gonna pull a little bit more red because I really wanted to dip into raspberry as well, just to see how the two will work out. I really like glamlite's formula. It really allows you to work with the shade to your liking, because you can either go really hard in for bam pigment in your face, or you can build it up to your liking. And it's pretty effortless to blend out. I just hope when we add the sprinkle detailed, that will work out. If not, I think I have some colorful eyeliner I may have to pull in. As I think to myself, I'm like, man, those potted gel liners from ColourPop would have really come in handy for this. There's not much kick up in the pan, and luckily there's no fallout with this matte shade either. The shade I am most looking forward to right now is raspberry. Oh yeah. Hardly any kick up in this shade either, but look at that. It's so beautiful. I am a huge sucker for pinks that have a blue undertone to them. They're just so pretty. I love how they look on me, both on the eyes and the lips. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of Pink Pigeon and Candy Yum Yum from MAC. For a good hot minute, those were my favorite lipsticks. And we're just gonna take this on the outer edges to help fluff things out. It really doesn't need it, but I just wanted to add another shade in the crease area. I do see staining of my eyes in the future. Worth it. I remember when this palette came out and I was like, is Glamlite just duping itself with this palette? Because they had the artist palette out already. Looking at pictures side by side, it kind of looks like it. So I ordered both palettes during that sale and they actually look very different. Like these are just really bright, almost pastel shades. Whereas when you look at the artist palette, it's like very true color. It's like a true red, blue, green. Personally, I'm very glad I decided to get the cake palette at least. I know I'm gonna be reaching into this one a lot. Like these shades are just right up my alley. I'm not sure if I want to take guava or strawberry. I'm thinking maybe almost guava because if I take strawberry, it's gonna be so monochromatic, but I'm always struggling. Or lavender, because that's also a really nice shade. But I feel like lavender might crash with the sprinkles I might do. So let's do strawberry. I gotta talk things through, otherwise we would be here for another 20 minutes just going back and forth between the 3 shades. And we could cut the crease, but I hate cutting the crease. Cut the crease without cutting it. Ooh, I like this a lot. I'm gonna take my Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner for my lid, and then I'm kind of feeling this bright green on the waterline. This is my LA Girl Cosmetics Shockwave liner in the shade Gotcha, because I want to take Birthday Cake to smoke it out really good, and then I can't decide if I'm gonna take lavender or banana. A yellow inner corner highlight has been my absolute favorite lately, so I'm thinking banana is gonna be the lucky shade to go in the inner corners. And then we're gonna work on the sprinkles. I'm a little nervous how that's gonna work out. The moment we've all been waiting for. Birthday cake smoked out. I hope it doesn't let me down. I'm gonna be crushed, like really crushed. Oh, I love it. I love how dramatic and smoky it is. I am living for it. I think the green is a really interesting touch. I've been playing around with this idea of a pop on the waterline to complement the lower lash smoke out really nice, and a lot of the ones have either really been too blended in to notice, or I just resort to black. So it definitely really excites me to see this green, pink, and blue combo going on right now. Now we're gonna take banana. Oh, I am stoked for this. Don't let me down, girl. And we're gonna put her in the inner corners. Oh. Yes. The shimmer is a little bit chunkier than strawberry. So there is a little bit of fallout happening. I'm gonna take this angled eyeliner brow brush and let's see. I think we're gonna start out with lavender just to see. I hope lavender will be a nice shade for sprinkles. Oh. Ooh, sprinkle. We're gonna have some thick sprinkles. I like that for sure. All right, blue raspberry sprinkles are next. It's like I want to add more, but I don't know if any more will fit. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna take my Nina Fresa. It's 420 Somewhere lashes. And then I have my Duo Quick adhesive glue. And then I have my Fenty Beauty mascara to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. And for my upper waterline, we're gonna take the Tarte Tartiste Easy on the Eyes. The struggle of hooded eyes. 1, you can hardly see my lids, and 2, these lashes are touching my brows right now. Hopefully you guys can still see the sprinkles. But I'm just obsessed with these lashes. They have a thinner band than most of the typical lashes I have in my collection. They apply super easily and they're just a beautiful style, nice and dramatic for a bold look like this. And I am obsessed with this palette. I think for as bright of a palette this is, it definitely translated on the eyes so well. I can't wait to try some of these shades in the crease, like Birthday Cake, Oob, Purple Frost, Icy Mint, Key Lime. Those are going to be the shades next that I try. I definitely want to dive into some of these other shimmers as well. I feel like this palette is really nice and well balanced. I think the only thing I would add to it, maybe take out Red Velvet and add like a complementary green shimmer. I think that's something that is missing. Like Key Lime is going to work out so nice with like the blues and the purples, but a green shimmer, that would have been the cherry on top of this palette. But other than that, I didn't swatch the palette or any of the shades that I use, but they're super pigmented. You can build them up to your liking. Didn't run into any blending issues. I love the shimmers. I will say Strawberry was definitely more of a lighter shimmer. It had to be built up. Perhaps applying with your finger or wetting it could help, but Banana is thicker and it is very popping. I'm just gonna finish off the face with my Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow palette. I've been trying to hit pan on one of these. I mean, it's my goal to hit in each one, but one of them just needs to hit pan. I keep getting excited seeing the dip grow, and the highlighter, the bronzer also has a dip. Blush is struggling here and there. It's hard pan, that's what I keep telling myself. I use this so much, which I'm glad there's so much product, but damn it, it really is frustrating not hitting pan. I originally had this lipstick picked out for this look, but I don't want it to take away from the eye look. I want the eye look to be the focal point. So by default, I'm resorting to my favorite current lip combo right now, which is the Dose of Colors Stone Liquid Lipstick and then the Lunar Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Starlight. Oh my gosh, I really thought I would never get into like the really light pink or nudie lips, but here we are. I found a good combination. Manny was not messing around with these glosses. Lastly, we're gonna set with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I would love to know, which palette would you choose out to do a birthday look? What colors speak to you when you think of the word birthday? Don't forget to head over to LNEGZ social media to wish him a happy birthday, and be sure to check out everyone else's looks. I know I'm super excited to see how everyone else's looks turned out. Thanks again to Becca's Beauty channel for inviting me and coordinating this collab. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.